Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Leo fire sign. This is April weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Leo, what are the messages for you? Two cards, that's why I'm not picking. What are the messages for Leo and what's going on? What are the messages for Leo? Eight of Cups and Two of Cups. I think you decided to walk away from this connection for some. Yes. And Two of Swords. Maybe in past you are very confused to make decision, but for some you decided to walk away from this connection. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Page of Pentacles, Nine of Swords and Justice. So maybe you received some text messages from your person, and in past maybe your person is immature, irresponsible, and they are in and out of your life. There is no commitment. I think Nine of Swords energy, they are keep putting you in anxiety and depression energy. You are getting lot of thoughts. And you are feeling very insecurity in this relationship. So you are losing your nights over them. You're getting depressed. And Justice card. So you want to cut them off from your life. Yes, you want to stand by yourself. And you want to take your control back, Leo. Then present King of Pentacles, the Emperor and the High Priestess. So you are trusting your intuition. You started listening to your intuition. King of Pentacles with Emperor. Yes, you stand by your power. In past, you working on yourself to stand by your power, but you achieved that. Now you are concentrating on your career to achieve financial stability, because King of Pentacles, financial abundance and stability. You are working through your finances, towards your finances. Then future, Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Swords and Queen of Cups. So someone is coming towards you, and that person is very, very slow moving energy. For some it could be a new person also. For some it could be your past person. Depends on your situation, but someone is coming. And this time this person want to offer stable offer to you, and this is very, very slow moving energy. This person is in very slow moving energy. And Queen of Swords. But you set boundaries. You want best, you deserve best. So you set boundaries. And you are very clear what you want and what you don't want this time. And Queen of Cups. I think you still have emotions for your person, and you are very caring and giving person. Queen of Cups energy. But you are not showing this emotion. You are showing only Queen of Swords energy to all. And the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, lot of Earth energy. Then Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Especially Libra. So let's see your person feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Okay, first card, Five of Wands. Okay, Two of Wands. Fire energy. The person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, Five of Swords. I think a lot of issues going between you and your person, arguments, disagreements, whatever. Lot of things going between you and your person, and lot of drama. And Chariot, yes, they are coming back. They want to make action, but again they are in very slow moving energy. The person involved in this connection could be Cancer. So Five of Wands with Two of Wands. Yes, they are thinking about you a lot. Maybe for some having options in this relationship. I think you have options. Leo, maybe more than one person fighting for your attention, but your person thinking about to make a move towards you because Chariot is here, but lot of issues. Yes, they're thinking about how to make a move towards you, and they will fighting for your attention also. So let's see their intentions, Leo. Their intentions. Eight of Pentacles. Wow. Nine of Cups. Eight of Swords. And the Hermit. Right now they are not talking to you, but they are thinking about to offer long-term commitment. Yes, this time maybe they are very serious about this decision, because Eight of Pentacles, yes, they really want to work on this relationship. Again, slow moving, Leo. And Nine of Cups, yes, definitely they are wishing for this connection, but in action wise, why they are in so slow? Because they are feeling stuck. Eight of Swords energy, they are feeling stuck and they are unable to make any move towards you. That's why they're making it very slow. And the Hermit, right now your person undergoing some transformation. It could be a major in their life. And the Hermit, right now they're spiritually awakening also regarding this relationship. The person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yes, they want to make a move towards you, but they're feeling stuck. But they're wishing for this connection. They're wishing for you. They're thinking about you a lot. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Death versus rebirth and Seven of Swords. Temperance, and the person involved in this connection could be Sagittarius. I think your person want to restore the balance in this connection and within himself also. So they want rebirth in this connection if you are in separation with this person. And Seven of Swords, I think there are some trust issues between both of you. Because they're feeling stuck, I think they're scared for rejection. Yes, because there are some trust issues. Maybe in past they lied to you, cheated on you. Now they want to come back, but they're scared for rejection also. And patiently they're waiting for right time to make right move, Leo. The Fool. You are heartbroken. Ten of Pentacles. You want this in this relationship, but it is not happening. Ten of Pentacles. That's why you are very heartbroken. Now you are going with the flow, living in the present moment. Your energy is totally changed, Leo. Yes, you are free from all bonds or emotions. Now you are a free bird, like you don't want anyone, because you are not dependent on anyone emotionally, especially. But inside of you, you still feeling lost. Yes. Outside you are feeling very, very happy, but still inside you have this pain, and still you are waiting for this for some. But you are at least trying to move on from this. Yes, mutual card, Ten of Cups and Three of Wands. Waiting period, definitely. So you both are waiting. I think for some there will be reconciliation in near future. For some it depends. If your person is really sneaky, if they are putting in third party situation, it depends. But those who are not in third party situation, definitely there will be reconciliation. And waiting period, you both are waiting on each other. Yes, for some definitely there will be reconciliation. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck, Leo. A time to give rather than take. New Moon in Virgo. Balance, spirituality and practicality. Full Moon in Pisces. So one person in this connection is always taking, not giving in return. This is the message for that person. A time to give rather than take. New Moon in Virgo. And another message, balance, spirituality and practicality. Full Moon in Pisces. Yes, if you are not doing any meditation, So this is the message for you. Start your spiritual journey, do meditation to heal yourself and balance both the things in your life. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.